Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the understanding elementary shape of standard 6 exercise 5.7. Okay my dear friends, in this exercise also I will tell you the special quadrilateral shapes, okay, and what are their properties. If you understood the funda of various quadrilaterals and their property, then your exercise 5.7 all question answer will be completed. Okay, so my dear friends, remember and concentrate yourself. If you like it, then subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, write the comments my dear friends. Okay, so let's start one by one. So what is the definition of a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed curve or closed boundary made up of 4 line segments. Means I will say that the quadrilateral having 4 sides, okay, bounded by 4 sides or 4 line segment, okay. So these are the some examples of quadrilateral. First one is what my dear friends? It is rectangle. Second one is what? It is a square. Third one is called as a trapezium. Fourth one is called a rhombus. And the fifth one is also called a what? A parallelogram. Okay? Rectangle, square, trapezium or trapezoid, whatever it will be, the two names are same. And rhombus and parallelogram. Today we will be studying about these 5 shapes or these quadrilaterals. Okay, but there is a question is coming that by observing we say that these are the quadrilateral, but by the mathematical terms, how you will be separate all of them from each other, okay, by some properties. Okay my dear friends, like an example, what is that? Triangle is a what? Triangle, how you recognize a triangle? You said that 3 sides are there, okay, 3 vertex are there, okay, 3 angles are there. Yes or no my dear friends? And if 2 triangles will be coming at a time, then how you will be recognize these 2 triangles? So this is already we are discussing in the previous class. What? If the 2 sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangles, and if 3 sides are equal, it is called as equilateral triangle. Like the manner, quadrilateral having certain properties. Let's discuss one by one, my dear friends. Okay? Okay, very good. Let's go one by one. So, I will be making the 2 groups. I am making this whiteboard into 2 parts so that we can easily learn what are the properties of the various quadrilateral. Okay, so what is the definition of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a shape made up of 3 line segments. Okay, okay, this is the simple definition. But what are the types? The various types of quadrilaterals are: first one, we know it in easiest manner, rectangle. How you will be recognize a rectangle? Yes, first one by one. Okay, first, opposite sides are parallel. First point. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay. Understood my dear friends? Again, all angles are 90 degree. Second point. All angles are 90 degree or right angle. These are the properties. If you remember it, then your half of the question is completed. Not about the half of the question. All the question of the 5.7 will be completed automatically. Okay. Third one, diagonals. The opposite point, whatever it will join to each other. You will say that diagonals bisect each other in 2 equal halves. Means if I write here A B, C, D, then the diagonal AC is equal to OA plus OC, means these are two equal halves. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Now this is the simple funda of what? The quadrilateral. The name of the quadrilateral is what? It is a rectangle. Very good, my dear friends. Now these are the property. If it is present in any quadrilateral, then you can easily identify that one is a rectangle. Okay, in the mathematical term. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Let's go for the second one. What is the shape it is? Yes, it is called as a square. So what is a square? The first thing, go for the side. The first one is what? All sides are equal. Understood, my dear friends? All sides are equal. Excuse me. So, my dear friends, so what is a square? The first thing is what? You have to recognize the side. What is the difference of the sides? Is there a difference? No. So I will say that all sides of a square are equal. Means if I name it as A, B, C, D, then I will say that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to D. Means all sides are equal. Now come to the angles. Angle means what? The corners. All angles are what? All angles are 90 degree or right angle, you can say it. Okay? Understood, my dear friends? What about the third one? The third one, it is saying that about the diagonals. Okay? About the diagonals, what? Diagonals of a square are bisect, means they are cross with each other in 90 degree, means here it is 90 degree, in the center it's forming 90 degree. Understood, my dear friend? Understood, my dear friends? Again, whatever it's saying now, all sides are equal. Again, all sides are equal as well as parallel, my dear friends. For the whom? For the square it is. Understood, my dear friends? So these are the some points of what? Two quadrilateral. First one is the rectangle, second one is the square, my dear friends. Very good. Let's go for the third one. What is the third one say? The third one is called as a rhombus. A, B, C, D. Write down. What is that? First of all, according to the sides, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Here all sides are not parallel. Here all sides are equal. Next for the what about the angles? What about the angles? Just tell me, my dear friends. Yes, all angles are 90 degrees. Understood, my dear friends? These are the very, very important thing for you, my dear friends. Okay, is it 90 degree? Go for it. What about the rhombus? It is saying that all angles are 90 degree. Yes, very good. It is not 90 degree. You can say that opposite angles are equal. Or you can say that opposite angles are equal, as well as adjacent angle is 180 degree. First one is what? This angle is equal to this angle equal to this. Now what about these are called opposite angle, these two. Okay, angle A and angle B opposite, and angle C is opposite. Again, angle B and angle D is opposite. Understood, my dear friends? Again, here the term is called what? Adjacent angle. Okay. Which one is adjacent angle? The side angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C is also 180 degree, and angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Like this manner, the adjacent angle. What is the meaning of adjacent angle? The adjacent angle is nothing but the side angles. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Now come to the diagonals. What about the diagonals? Here also the same thing. What is that? Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Understood, my dear friends? These are the property of what? Rhombus. Understood? So let's go to the which one? Fourth one. What is the fourth one saying? Let's go for it. These things are understood, my dear friends? Okay, let's go for the fourth one. What is the fourth one it is saying? Fourth one is saying about the what? Fourth one is saying about a parallelogram. What is this one? Parallelogram. It is called a parallelogram. I will not erase this one because some of the points are equal. Okay, see. First, what you will say? All sides are equal? No. Opposite sides are equal. What is that? Opposite sides are not parallel. It says that equal. Okay. All angles are 90 degree here. No. Again, what you have to do? You have to write here opposite angles are equals. Okay. Next, diagonals bisect with each other into what? Two equal halves. It is also correct, my dear friends. Understood? So this is the property of what? A parallelogram. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Now just tell me, my dear friends. So my dear friend, now just tell me, what about is a parallelogram is a rhombus? What is the property of a rhombus? Here it's saying that now where the rhombus is there? This one is the rhombus we are studying. According to the property, what is that? All sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal. First point is different. So you can't say that parallelogram is not a rhombus. Understood, my dear friends? This is like this manner you have to be differentiate with each other. Okay? Now you just tell me if either of the point is not there or it is not similar to the other, then you can easily say that one quadrilateral. Example, the parallelogram is not equal to a rhombus. Okay? So, this is the 3 points. What is that? Of the parallelogram. Okay? So, what is the first point? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Diagonals are bisect to each other in two equal halves. Understood, my dear friends? Now come to the last one. It is called which one? It is called trapezium. Okay? A, B, C, D. In trapezium, how you will be link it? In a trapezium, only one point is there. What is that? What is that? Only one side is, one side. Okay, one side is parallel to each other. Means which two sides? These two sides are parallel. Okay, okay. Understood, my dear friends? This is the only one property of a trapezium. Understood? Okay. Is there diagonals are like that? Yes, you can say it. Here AC and BC, if two diagonals means, I will say that diagonals bisect to each other. Only bisect to each other. Remember this one. It not divided or it may be divided into two equal halves or not. That one you have to be what? After drawing you can find out. Okay. So these are the some important topics regarding to your exercise 5.7 of chapter elementary shape. Okay. So always remember the fundas and what? Solve your questions. Understood, my dear friends? Don't confuse yourself. Let's start with your exercise. Some few points I will discuss and the rest of the points you will be what? Revised by yourself. Okay? But before revision, you have to be remember the funda. Understood? Let's go one by one from your exercise. Okay, my dear friends? Okay. Now come to the point. What is that? The first point is saying that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. According to the property, it's saying that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Yes, according to the property, it is correct. Understood? What is saying that the opposite sides of a rectangles are equal length. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal length. Yes, it is. The second point is also correct. Understood? Third one is saying that the diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Square. What is the diagonal? It is equal size. Okay. Now it is coming equal. The diagonals means the opposite point of the squares. The opposite point of the square, if it will be bisect and the center is from 90 degree, means yes, it is saying about perpendicular. Perpendicular means nothing but in the center it's from 90 degree only. Remember this one, the meaning of perpendicular is 90 degree or right angle. Understood? Good, very good. Now tell me, all sides of a rhombus are equal length. Rhombus. If you remember the funda, you can easily find out. All sides of a rhombus are equal. Good, very good. It's okay, it's correct. Okay, my dear friends. Like this manner, you have to solve each and every question, my dear friends. But before that, remember the fundas. Okay. So go for the second one. Second question. What is the second question it is saying? The second question is saying a square can be thought as a special rectangle. A square, can you say that a square is called a special rectangle? Special rectangle means what is the property of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. But in the square, all sides are equal. Huh? So you say is no. Understood? Now it say that. Okay. And you can say that a rectangle can be thought to be a special parallelogram. A rectangle is thought to be a special parallelogram. What is that? What is the parallelogram shape? First, what is the rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? Here parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. Yes or no? But in the rectangle, all angles are 90 degree or not? But in the case of parallelogram, all angles are 90 degree? No. So the answer is no. Understood, my dear friends? Like this manner, you have to be find out the solution of your given question. So my dear friends, remember the funda and solve all the questions. Okay? So my dear friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And if you have any doubts, write the comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.